Hello there, a new day, a new project. So let's fix this watch. You know, this quartz watch. You may say that doesn't really work. They are so cheap. They are very cheap. The watch or the clock I'm using in my garage, and I'm gonna start with measuring the battery. So I'm not measuring the battery on volts. I'm gonna measure the battery on amps. That's the best way to find out if a battery is still alive. We should have around 1.2, 1.5 amps. Let's see. Oh, it's okay. 1.10. That should be fine. So the battery is good. That's for sure. Now, let's dismantle this machinery. Well, it's old. It's ugly. But if it can be saved, it will be very nice. So first of all, you see over here, first of all, I'm gonna take out the secondary, or how you call it. You see, this one have a hole in here, and it goes into an axle here. So this is out now. Let's have the minutes indicator too. One of these tweezers should be really, really nice. This one also. And of course, we have over here bolts and nuts. Let me open this. And there we go. Okay, what we got here? Yeah, and we have clips and clips. 2 clips over here. So don't take it on the side. Just put it plate like this, because there are a lot of parts in there, and if they start jumping all around, then it's a disaster. Okay, what we got here? We have a crystal, and that's pretty okay. I don't like these wires over here. Let me cut them down. I never dismantled this. You see, that's the crystal, and I'm gonna cut these legs shorter. There we are. Let me check the contacts. They are looking good over here. This one is okay too. You see, these are the battery contacts here on this little board, and I can say for sure these contacts are oxidized. Okay, we got the problem. We found the problem. There are 2 ways to do this. One, clean it a little bit with some sandpaper. Yeah, like this. Now it's looking much better. Yes. And to be sure that will stay like that forever, I'm gonna apply a little bit of soldering wire on it. And you know, this kind of stanium and all the components related to this, they will keep the oxidation away. I'm not applying flux, so it's just the wire. The wire have the flux inside, so I don't really need it. Okay, and the other one. Perfect. This one will keep the oxidation process away for long. Okay, now let's see. All we have to do is to put the things back. Let me have this a little bit higher. These contacts are coming from the battery to the board. Let's clean them a little bit. And let's see, if we turn this like that, it will be okay. Yes, it's fine. So that wheel should stay there in place. And I think, yeah, that's the position here. Really? No. The other way, like this. Yep. We are in business. Battery, please. This is a homemade microphone. Okay, let me have this away, put the things together. So this is a really nice tool because you can put those things, you can take those things apart very easy. It's up to you to say if it's worth it or not to fix something like this. I know these are so cheap, they are so damn cheap, but as long as I don't throw away plastic things and all the components and electronics and all the other stuffs in the garbage, I'm really happy. You see, over here it's not a matter of money, it's just a matter of using, reusing. Somehow it's our duty to have the maximum usefulness, if I can call that, from the things. Minutes, hour, let's say 3 o'clock, minutes over here. You can do it like that, you can do it. All you have to do is to respect the angles over here. You see, this is in a very certain relation, so if it's 4 o'clock it should be the right angles over here, and finally we have the seconds. I think it's okay. Battery on. There we are, people. It's working. Is it worth it or not? I don't know. But as long as I can save some plastic to go back into the, to go into the nature in a bin, I'm really happy. Thank you for now. I'll be back with some other as soon as I have new stories to say. But until then, don't forget to have fun, be safe, and bye-bye.